All right, let's try this again. Welcome to the Kings of Asphalt YouTube channel, everyone. This is the inaugural video, so this is some very exciting stuff. I'm sitting here in my 2003 BMW 325xi, and just like any other BMW, it's giving me some problems, so let's dive right into it and start the thing up. All right, so at first it feels relatively normal. Startup feels fine. You kind of hear a little, almost a drone in the background. And that gets substantially worse as the RPMs drop once the car starts to warm up. I'm gonna take you off here. All right, so right now it's relatively normal. You can feel it's a little shaky. Check engine light is on. Sorry, the car's a disaster. All right, so we're at about 700 RPMs. I'm not really sure what RPM this car's supposed to idle at, but it feels very rough. You could probably hear it through the phone, the shaking and the vibrating. I can even try to hold parts of the car, make the shaking stop a little bit, but it just comes right back. So, let me kill the engine. Let's talk over that. So, I took my handy dandy OBD2 scanner and plugged it in and see what we got. All right, so now we're in. So I'm gonna scroll over. Let's see, let's read codes. Current DTCs. Let's see what we got. Secondary air injection system. All right, I'm just gonna scroll through these. You can check them out yourself. I'm not gonna read through every single one for you. So we got a whole bunch of codes coming up. Potential O2 sensor heat circuit. All right, so I'm going to pop the hood, inspect the engine, see if I can identify what this problem is, or problems. All right, lo and behold, the inline 6 of a 325. So what I did is I took out the air box, the snorkel over here, and inspected this guy over here, and lo and behold, look what we got there. So that could definitely be giving me at least a few of those codes. So I'm going to go ahead and order one of these guys online. It's honestly not that big a piece. You can see right there. You unscrew that screw down there, and it pops off. It's just a little J. All right, people. Look what we got here. So, should be able to unscrew that down there, pop the old one off, new one on, clear some codes, and see what we got. All right. So you can see in there, managed to get the old boot off. That right there is the culprit. Goddamn. All right, let's see if I can get this guy on without screwing up any of these dry rotted lines. Luckily, oh dear, did I speak too soon? No. So, unfortunately, got the old boot off, but look what I found here. Oh God, that's no good. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that. That's got to be replaced, which stinks because that's really deep in there. All right, people, we are looking pretty good. We got this intake boot on. We fixed this line, which unfortunately snapped on me. That was so devastating. Got all the covers back on, the drain back on. Looking pretty good. So take it for a test drive and keep our fingers crossed. All right, folks, moment of truth. And so far, so good. All right, so we still got the shakes. I'm gonna clear the codes, take it for a spin around the block, see what happens. All right, so I'm taking the BMW out for a test drive. The startup, it felt a little shaky. It didn't feel as nice. Honestly, it didn't feel as smooth as I wanted it to. But I have it out on a small highway right now, so I'm gonna see if it feels a little bit better. But I gotta be honest, it definitely feels a little smoother. The one line, I think I actually probably snapped when I was trying to take off the breather tube.
I did clear all the codes. I cleared all the codes and none of them have come back up yet. I've only been driving around for 10 minutes, so it may take some more time for them to pop up. If any of you guys have any ideas, please help me out. I'm kind of stumped as of now until I get more codes to pop up and check those. If it wasn't shaking the low RPMs, I'd hope nothing pops up and that's it. But since it is shaking the low RPMs, I know there's something else going on. There it is. See that? Well, would you listen to that? Man, I wish a code would come up so I could kind of figure out what my what the route is here. All right, so we got the BMW in the driveway. Unfortunately, no codes came up, so gotta try again tomorrow. I'm just gonna be editing that video for you guys. Hopefully I can get it to you guys by tonight. Got my boy Chick here with me, so keep me some company. Thanks again for tuning in for the first video. It really means a lot, and until next time.